Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with Omega Survival. To start this video off, I want to say it's been quite a while. I haven't made an outdoor video in like 5 months, so this is my very first video back outdoors. And I changed the name of my YouTube channel from Omega Survival and Exploration to Omega Outdoors and Exploration. It just fit a little better for me. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is showing you a complete review outdoor hard field test of the River Barong. So this is the River Barong with natural canvas micarta scales. Its overall length is 23.5 inches. The blade length is 16.5 inches. The cutting edge is 15.6 inches. The blade height is 2.37 inches. Its thickness is 0.180 inches thick. It's A2 tool steel, 58 Rockwell hardness at 2 pounds and made in the USA. So now that we're through that technical stuff, let's get into seeing how this puppy works. First of all, check out the back of that handle. That's not going anywhere. That is one solid grip. Now to give everybody a brief history of this. This actually isn't a knife for the woods. It actually is a sword. It's a historical sword, and it was used by Filipinos, I believe. This is definitely the biggest, without a doubt, bark river that I've ever reviewed. It's way bigger than the Parang end of the car, and that A2 tool steel gives it that nice weight that you want. Not like S35VN that I've seen some companies using recently to make larger knives outdoors, and I don't like that because it's great steel for knives, but it doesn't give you the weight that A2 gives you, and 01. They're heavier. And I think that that's part of the reason why Mike Stewart decides to use it in larger knives, because it holds a excellent edge. It does have pretty good wear resistance, but overall it gives you the weight you need combined with all that to actually be a chopper. Nothing. Gotta get these vines out of here. I want to build a fire pit out here, a cabin, some other stuff. This is private land that I'm on, by the way. I don't recommend anybody just go out in public land and do something like this, but I just wanted to let everybody know I have a huge series coming up where I'm finally going to get around to building my cabin this year. It's a beast, that's for sure. It's the length on it and the curve. Right here. I'm going to use this tree as a support, and this tree as a support, and possibly this tree. So I'll have 3 trees covered already. and it's nice and flat. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna build a floor for it anyway, a raised floor. And the river here is probably 100 yards that way. Anyway, this way. Let's see what it does with this. A little funky, a little dead. Man, that just does not want to slide out of the back of your hand for no reason. It's more of a sword for the battlefield than for chopping trees down, but it does the job pretty good. I'm sure with the sheer size of this beast, there's not going to be any problem batoning. I think that's silly to even think it wouldn't. Like nobody's business. This really makes an excellent draw knife too. Make a good work surface. Let's see here. Here, to like a mile from anything, and I can still hear so clearly. Looks like bees in there. I didn't know bees went underneath bark. Whatever. This thing just wants to chop. Forget all that small stuff I was doing. It's real nice, actually. If you take a few shavings for dry wood. You catch that at the very end of the blade by the handle. And it does the job. I hope everybody enjoyed my video of the River Barong. I have the Bravo 3 on the way, and the Bushcrafter 2, and a few other more River knives this year. I don't know which ones yet, but I also have a ton of other knives. The next knife I'll be doing is the Firecraft FC7 knife, and then I gotta get that on its way to the next person. But in the meantime, I really hope you enjoyed my review of the River Barong. It's a beast. If you want something to take in the woods with you and chop brush, or have something to be a really awesome wall hanging to show your friends, because it is a piece of history, it is an actual sword, that'd be pretty awesome too. So until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I really would like to thank all my subscribers. You guys are awesome.